guys, welcome back to my channel. Danielle here, and today, from the title, we will be opening up a personalized mystery bundle from smaller businesses. Okay, so let's talk about my previous mystery bundle because lesson learned, I will never again buy a personalized mystery bundle from a larger name YouTube reseller. Okay, so let's talk about that because my Ruby Lynn video, I will leave it linked up here and then down below in the description box. So I wasn't like too upset. You guys were saying that I was a little too generous with a rating of 7 out of 10. And really, this was my thought process behind it. You start off with 10 stars, right? I deducted one because she didn't listen to my dislikes. I deducted another one because those pants did not fit me. And then I deducted another star just because $115 is so freaking expensive for 2 shirts and a pair of pants that didn't even fit me. So I thought 7 out of 10 was fair enough. You guys went off in the comment section, so I really appreciate that you put your input. And a lot of you guys were saying that I should have gotten my refund, but Ruby Lynn does not offer refunds. So that is $115 gone down the drain. I will say though, the only person I would just like gladly give all my money to is Bella, Internet Girl. I'm gonna try to get my hands on one. You guys were recommending it in the comments too, and I'm working on it. Our small business of the video is Leah from Cool Tempered. So I'm gonna take you through her Depop. I'll put it up right over here. And so she has a posting for a mystery bundle, which is 4 pieces for $40, and then it comes with $10 shipping. So a total of $50 for 4 pieces. I think that's pretty dang awesome. The description says, inspired by iGirl bundles, love that already, but a lot cheaper, LOL. Bundles include 3 to 4 items, no shoes, accessories, such as jewelry, bags, scarves, etc. Price is firm. And then on the bottom here, she says, I've done a bunch of style bundles, mystery bundles before on Poshmark and have always had happy customers. Check out the second pic for the exact reviews, comments they left. So if we go back up, I really love the photo. It looks super like aesthetic and cool. And yeah, she does have a lot of good reviews. So I'm seeing a lot of 5 stars, which is awesome. And so what she asks for are your sizes, the type of style bundle that you want to receive, and then your likes, your dislikes, and then if you want to include your Pinterest board or your Insta. As far as the style, you guys know I don't necessarily have a specific style, and I always say that it's thrifted, so I told her I'm down for any style since I'm open to many looks. Plus, I want to expand my style anyway, so honestly, it doesn't take a lot to disappoint me or get upset about, so I'm really cool with just about anything. As far as likes, I have a lot. I put
corsets, leather, vinyl, bold bright colors, pastels, crop tops, eccentric ugly pieces, flare length, ruched detailing, prints, high-rise, sheer construction.
As far as my dislikes, we have a lot less, which is just low-rise bottoms, plungy necklines, dark colors, and bodycon dresses. With all that info, she got my package to me pretty quickly. Honestly, I think it was within a week. And the last thing I want to mention about Leah is not only does she have the Depop where she resells clothes and also these mystery bundles, but she has her own jewelry line, you guys. I'll include the link down below, but I just want to give you guys a little sneak peek into her jewelry line, and it looks like she works with a whole bunch of sterling silver pieces. So I see rings and earrings, and these prices are pretty dang awesome. I'm seeing for only $18.50, $16.50, which is pretty good. And these pieces do look a little bit more minimalistic and smaller. So if that's your type of style, guys, I highly suggest that you visit her Etsy shop. I'll leave everything linked down below. But let's get into opening up this mystery bundle. Okay, before we open it, I do want to talk about the packaging. I already said that it's so freaking cute, and it does seem pretty secure. It doesn't feel flimsy, even though it is a poly mailer. It does seem to be like a stronger one. So let's get this open. Ooh, that's loud. The bunnies are looking at me like, Mom, what is that? Okay. Ooh, so I'm looking inside already, and she is taking that extra safety precaution to make sure nothing gets damaged. So love that. Ooh, let's pull this out. Oh, we got another little baggie in here. Perfect. So that's the end of that. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. Can you guys see that? It has a little thank you sticker right there. So let's take a look. Let's open this baby up. Okay. So she says, open at the end. It looks like a little typed letter, so okay, we will leave that towards the end. I do see a little pouch here, so we'll open this up. I'm thinking this might be her jewelry line. Oh my god, these are so freaking cute. So I did see these on the website. This is part of her jewelry line called Cool Tempered, so love that. Oh my gosh, these are so freaking cute. You guys, look at this. Here, let me put this down. Do you guys see that? It's a little cube with a little hoop on it. So the earrings are definitely a bit more minimalistic and smaller, but I love this. This is so freaking cute. Oh, yeah, see, I wish I had a second piercing. Look how cute it would look with these. Oh my gosh, love it. Super stoked for these. And honestly, I don't thrift or get my hands on a lot of jewelry, so really happy that I get to expand my collection. Leah, thank you so much. Those are so cute. Okay, let's get opening up this clothes. So it's just wrapped around with a little string here, super easy to pull off. Get this tissue off. Ooh, okay. Let's see. So we are working with a little bit of color here. Ooh. Okay, so we've got red, we've got a little lighter color, and then a purple. I'm excited about that one. Okay, so let's start off on the top, which is this red shirt here. Super cute. And this is the brand Dollhouse. Love that. A good layering piece, especially now since like summer is coming to an end. This will definitely be used with like a big oversized sweater on top of it. Yes. And I love that it's red too, so we've got a little bit of statement color in there. Let's see, we've got some shorts. I don't know if this is necessarily my style. I'm not really into khakis or like lighter colors. To me, it just kind of reminds me of like a camp counselor almost. So we've got this one here. It definitely seems breathable. It still is a little warm here in Los Angeles, so I can get a little bit of use out of these. We've got another little button up top here. Oh, but what is this closure? What is this closure? It looks like it could be a hook. A little hook closure on the front. Ooh, love that color. Love the silhouette too. Okay, that could be really cute. Definitely does give me a bit more office wear though. I'm already envisioning some sort of mesh underlayer and some vinyl or leather pants. That would be super cute. And then we're back to another like lighter color. Kind of gives me like a khaki vibe too. So we have these pants right here. And these definitely seem to be more of a cropped or like a capri. So we'll give that a try. I mean, even with like this baby blue top, I feel like that's pretty cute. Let's get to reading her little note now. Okay, so it says, "Hi Danielle, I was so pumped to pull this style bundle for you. I included 4 interchangeable pieces, but had 2 specific looks in mind. For your first look, I went with a pair of vintage cotton mid-rise shorts, perfect for the insane heat wave in LA, feel it, and a 90s dollhouse red button-down shirt with contrast stitching. Although this could work just tucked into the shorts, I thought it would look amazing with a tank, corset, top underneath, and the button down as a jacket." Okay, that's cute. For your second look, I went for major Y2K vibes. I included a pair of vintage high-rise cropped flare ivory trousers and a vintage purple top with a hook and eye detailing that I felt totally embodied your style. I also included a pair of brand new sterling silver cube hoop earrings from my very own Etsy shop at Cool Tempered Jewelry, which you can wear with either outfit. Thanks so much for letting me style you, and I hope you love the pieces. Love, Leah. Awesome, Leah, thank you so much for these pieces. Okay, there's nothing else to do but try these outfits on, so I'll be right back and we'll see what they look like. Okay guys, so here we have fit number 1, and I think it's super cute. So for sure I had to go ahead and incorporate my own style and my own pieces, just because the shorts and the red top alone, it did look a little too, like I said, camp counselor and a little too office wear for me. And I work in the fashion industry, so I can honestly wear whatever I want. They're really open and lenient about being expressive and you know, having like crazy hair or crazy styles. I did have to just take the pieces and bring it to my level. We are playing with layers. Again, this is not something I'd be wearing right now in Los Angeles, but when fall comes around, heck yeah, I'm gonna be wearing this out for sure. Let's talk about the first piece, which are these shorts. So gonna be honest, when I'm out thrifting, I'm not really attracted to khaki or light colors. First of all, your girl is messy and I will get these dirty in a heartbeat. I tend to look more towards colors, but I feel like it really worked out with the sweater because I'm pulling out the lighter color from here. And then I'm also pulling out more white and lighter colors with the socks and the shoes. I think it works out pretty well, and they fit really nicely too. So I did send over my measurements and she did good. It doesn't fit me too small or too big, it fits me perfectly. So I absolutely love that. And then the second piece is the button up top. Okay, so just showing you guys a little close shot of the top. It does have like these 3/4 length sleeves. It's buttoned down, just have more of a curved hem with a slight shirt tail here. For me though, it's definitely more of a layering piece for sure. And then we are topping it off with her jewelry from Cool Tempered Jewelry. And these are super cute. Again, more minimalistic, but because the outfit I feel like is pretty loud, still pairs really nicely with the outfit, so love it. So overall with the first fit, I'm super happy, love them. So let's go on to the second outfit. Okay guys, so here we have the second outfit. let me just start with, this is not the final look. I'm gonna have to revamp this totally because these pants, I don't know what's going on in this general area, but this just does not look very flattering. I'm gonna definitely scratch the pants from the fit. It fits very nicely. They are high waist like she said. They fit pretty good. Like even if I had a big meal, had a little food baby, I would still feel super comfy. It does have a bit more of a cropped leg, but you know, that works out too. But this area, oh no, this is not flattering whatsoever. So let's go on to the revamped outfit right now. Here we have the complete second outfit, and I am feeling this one. I think it is so freaking cute. Again, we incorporated my own pieces in my own style, and I definitely decided to have a little layer moment here with the zebra. We're doing some vinyl pants that are cropped, paired it with some booties, and then the staple piece, which is the purple top that she sent over. This fit because we have the silver hardware. I am doing her silver jewelry again. Super adorable. But that pretty much does it for the fit, so let's move on to my final thoughts about this box. Okay, you guys, let's talk about final thoughts about Leah's mystery box. So, my two favorite pieces are definitely the tops. Are colorful. They are actually button-ups, which is taking me out of my comfort zone. I said it again and I'll say it once more. I don't usually buy button-down, button-up shirts. I'm just not usually attracted to them because immediately my mind goes to, you work in an office, or, oh, it's something professional. And so I've never really picked one up. And I can say that I think I like button-up shirts now, so really happy about these. My favorite one is definitely the purple one. Okay, moving into pieces that I didn't necessarily like. We have these shorts here. I didn't love them, but I also didn't hate them. They, again, are taking me out of my comfort zone. Reminds me of something that I would have wore to summer camp. Just seeing these have memories of medical camp where we used to wear khaki shorts and a big oversized t-shirt that everyone who attended the camp would wear. But I feel like with proper styling and, you know, adding my own aesthetic to it, it definitely changes that look for sure. And then, oh, you guys, these pants. I really wanted to like them because they had an awesome fit. I love the high rise. The cropped leg, again, was a little skeptical about that, but you know, I could always make it work with a mule or with a heel, but the crotch, you guys, I don't know what it was. It was very, like, wrinkly and loose. And I'm thinking they're like this just because they could be thrifted or worn by someone else. They don't look new, and so you can just see in their crotch area that it looks pretty worn. So it didn't have a very flattering look on my body. Fortunately, these did not work out with me, but again, the fit of everything worked out perfectly. Leah definitely paid attention to my measurements and to my height. I really appreciate that she took that into account. Oh, totally forgot to mention again, the earrings, her jewelry line. I absolutely love these. They are very minimalistic, pretty small, but you know, for everyday wear, love them. I'm gonna go ahead and give Leah a 9 out of 10. The only thing that I didn't like was the pants. They just didn't fit me very well in the crotch area, so I'm only deducting 1 little point from that. But Leah, thank you so much for sending over a mystery box. Absolutely loved all the pieces and your jewelry line. I thought it was so freaking cute. You guys, if you want to check out Leah's Depop or get a mystery box for yourself, I will leave all her social medias down below. Don't forget to check out her Depop. She is at Cool Tempered right here. And then don't forget about her Etsy because that's where she has her jewelry line, where it is Cool Tempered Jewelry right here. But you guys, that pretty much does it for unboxing a mystery bundle from my subscriber and small business. So please go ahead and support. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. We are at 25 eggies. I think that's so freaking awesome. If you guys want to keep up with me throughout the week, y'all know I have an Instagram. I am at Eggy Girl here. If you're interested in my Depop or mystery bundles that I sell, I am at Twinell on Depop. But you guys, as always, I post videos twice a week. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Congratulations to Eileen for winning a free mystery box. Keep an eye out on your DMs on Insta. I'll be sending you a message real soon. But thank you to everyone else who entered the giveaway. Don't worry if you didn't win. Remember, I always do giveaways anytime we hit milestones as far as subscriptions. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one.